video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
We are pleased to show you the 2016 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.